Hello engineers, welcome to third lecture of ASME BPVC Section 2 Code Training. Today we will discuss Part D properties guys. Today we will see structure of Part D. If you open Part D, you will see mechanical and physical properties for ferrous and non-ferrous materials, which is used in construction of boilers and pressure vessels, guys. So, the structure of Section 2 Part D is divided into three subparts. So, first one is subpart 1, subpart 2, subpart 3, and also we have mandatory and non-mandatory appendices, which is useful for different aspects of material properties and design calculations. So let's discuss the very first one, that is subpart 1. So the subpart 1 covers mechanical properties such as stress tables, guys. In the stress tables, you will find tensile strength, yield strength, and maximum allowable stress values for different temperatures for ferrous and non-ferrous materials, guys, which is used for your pressure vessel and boilers for different divisions. Okay. And next one is subpart 2. This subpart 2 mainly covers physical properties such as density, modulus of elasticity, thermal expansion, and Poisson ratio values. If you see, subpart 1 covers mechanical properties and subpart 2 covers physical properties, guys. And next one is subpart 3, guys. In subpart 3, you will find charts which is useful for external pressure calculations. In these charts, you will find factor A and factor B values which is useful for calculating thickness under external pressure for your pressure vessel, guys. And apart from these three subparts, we have mandatory and non-mandatory appendices which covers uh, additional information like what is the basis for the stress values. You will see maximum allowable stress values in subpart 1, right? So how they come, how actually code given that maximum allowable stress values for different temperatures. So you will find in mandatory appendix, guys. In non-mandatory appendix, you will find all the guidelines to follow tables and charts. So which is given in subpart 1, subpart 2, and subpart 3, guys. And next one is you will find background information for entire part D. So this is all about the structure of part D, guys. In next lectures, we will see each and every subpart in detail. We will discuss in detail in next lectures. Please follow for more interesting videos and subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you all.